Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want extra privacy and security while browsing, setting up the built-in VPN in the Brave browser is a great option. In this full guide, I'll show you how to set up Brave VPN step by step in 2026. First, open Brave and go to the Settings menu from the top right corner. Next, scroll down and look for the VPN section inside Settings. Click on Get VPN or Enable VPN. This will start the setup process. Brave VPN is a paid feature, so you'll need to choose a subscription plan to continue. Sign in with your account or create a new one if needed. Complete the payment process. Once done, your VPN access will be activated. Now go back to Brave and toggle the VPN on. Yeah, your connection is now secured. You can select a server location if available. This helps control your browsing region. Check if your IP address has changed to confirm the VPN is working properly. Even with a VPN, avoid unsafe websites or downloads. It protects your connection, not your actions. And that's it. With Brave VPN set up, your browsing is more private and secure across your device.